Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So we are learning networking concepts. In today's session, we will be discussing about various applications in networking. So as you can see, there are different applications which are listed below. They are SMS, chat, video conferencing, Wi-Fi hotspots, WiMAX, etc. Now remember, these are only few which is listed. There are n number of other applications in networking as well. So let us see them one by one briefly and let us understand what exactly each one of them mean. The very first one is SMS. Now, SMS stands for Short Message Service. It is a transmission of short text messages to and from mobile phones. Okay, so before all this WhatsApp and all other chat things started, initially it was SMSs which were very famous, and these were the ones which were used. So these are the very short messages one which you can send. Okay, you can also use send it through fax machines, and or we will use IP address for that. So messages must be no longer than a fixed number of alphanumeric characters and contains no images and graphics. This you should remember. And also it had a limit number of characters what you can send. So once a message is sent, it is received by a short message service center, which must then get it to the appropriate mobile phones. So to do this, the SMSE sends the SMS request to the home location register to find the roaming customer. Okay, so as you can see, there are a lot of towers, mobile towers, and all what we will see. So this is where from one place to another place, your messages, whatever you have sent, will go, and it will try to find out the tower which is more local to that particular customer wherever he is. So once a HLRs receives the request, it will respond to the SMS with the subscriber status, whether it is inactive, active, where the subscriber is roaming. So once again, of course, if your mobile is switched off, if you do not have a service, if you do not have a network, all those things, it will check and then it will do the whatever is required. So this is how your SMS will work. Next one is chat. Now, chat, all of you are very well aware of it. Chatting, it is nothing but a real-time communication between two users via computer. Now, when the syllabus was formed, the chatting was happening in computer. So in computers also you could chat with various applications, but nowadays we have everything in our mobile phones, isn't it? So you can also change it here, computer or mobile. So in telephone conversations, you say something, people hear it and respond, and one can hear the response on the spot and can reply instantly. In the same manner, in chatting, you type a message on your screen, which is immediately received by the recipient. Then the recipient can type a message in response to your message, which is received by you instantly, which is nothing but a very example is your WhatsApp. All right, so that is nothing but your chat. Next one is a video conferencing. I think during pandemic, we all are aware of how this video conferencing helped us in our education. So a video conference is a live visual connection between two or more people residing in separate locations for the purpose of communications. So this was only for a communication. Later on, we went and during pandemic, we found the various other uses of these video conferencing also. We found it especially your classes were happening, so education and business people used it, and a lot of other things. Family to connect to each other also, they used it, video conferencing. So people who have multimedia PC with the camera and video compression hardware, access to internet over an ordinary telephone line and video phone software can see each other while talking, which is what is called video conferencing. Now keep in mind, students, when this syllabus was formed, all these things were new, hence so much in detail they have given. But nowadays, if you have a laptop and internet connection, you can do video conferencing, and you can also do it with your mobile. All right. So that is your video conferencing, which was another application of networking. Next comes is your Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, of course, we know that it refers to wireless fidelity, which lets you connect to the internet without a direct line from your PC or ISP, internet service provider. So you do not need to have a physical connection or a wire to be connected. You can have Wi-Fi and you can get connected to the internet. So this is another advantage or application of your networking. For Wi-Fi to work, you need a broadband internet connection, wireless router, which relays your internet connection from wall to the PC, and a laptop or a desk with a wireless internet card or external wireless adapter. So nowadays, all the laptop, whichever you will have, will by default will have a wireless adapter. Okay, initial days you need to have that extra network card in order to have a Wi-Fi connection. So transmitting computer data without wireless makes your data especially susceptible to hackers, computer users who can intercept your connections and steal your data. If you decide to use Wi-Fi at home, be sure that the network you set up is security enabled. So how do we do this security enabling, or what are the different kinds of security that we will be learning in the next session? As of now, you understand if it is especially wireless, then it is more susceptible to hacking. Next is Wi-Fi hotspot. Another thing which students are very well aware of because you keep sharing hotspots with your friends. So our hotspot is a venue or that offers Wi-Fi access. The public can use laptop, Wi-Fi, phone, or other suitable portable devices to access the internet through Wi-Fi hotspot. Hotspots are public locations such as library, hotels, airports, etc., with free or free-based wireless internet access. There are Wi-Fi hotspots in thousands of locations around the world. You know that even you can turn your mobile phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot and you can get connected. By doing that, you can share your internet connection with your friends, isn't it? So that is your Wi-Fi hotspot. And then comes Wi-Fi Max. So this Wi-Fi Max is a wireless digital communication system. Okay, so Wi-Fi Max can provide broadband wireless access up to 30 miles or 50 kilometers for a fixed station and 3 to 10 miles for mobile stations. So Wi-Fi Max requires a tower, okay, called wimax base station, similar to a cell phone tower, which is connected to the internet using the standard wired high-speed connection. So, but as opposed to a traditional internet service provider, which divides the bandwidth among the customer via wire, it uses a microwave link to establish a connection. Very simple. The normal tower, which uses a LAN, like your internet service provider, for example, your ACT or BSNL, they will have a cables connected to your home. But here in WiMAX, what happens is they will have a tower through which they will be establishing a microwave link, as in they will be sending it wirelessly. That is how it will be connected. All right. So these are the various applications. Now remember, apart from this also there are n number of applications of the networking. So as of now, we are ending this session here. So thank you for watching, students. Hope these videos are helping in your studies. So please subscribe my channel and like and share. Thank you for watching.